Hey pimps, DocDrydenn from the PiMP OS support team with another video for you. In this video, I will show you how to quickly expand your PiMP OS partition to the full size of your drive by demonstrating the process on a fresh PiMP OS version 2.6 that's been installed onto a 60 gigabyte solid state drive. As some of you may have noticed, when we flash our PiMP OS image, no matter how big our hard drive actually is, the PiMP OS partition is only around 12.7 gigabytes. This is to ensure compatibility with all drives greater than 16 gigabytes, but once we have everything set up and running, we don't have to keep it that way. Follow the quick steps in this video and your PiMP machine will have access to the full size of your hard drive. So to accomplish this task, all we need is access to our PiMP machine's desktop. You can use RDP and VNC remote connections, but we really need the desktop. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. Let me move this window out of the way. If we look here, our drive space showing 12.7 as our max. We're going to expand that to cover the full size of our drive. So to do this, we're just going to run one command here in the terminal window, and that's Gparted with the ampersand sign. The and sign is just so that we won't lock up our terminal window while we're running Gparted. Alright, so here's Gparted. As we can see, I said the drive is a 60 gig drive, and here is our PiMP partition. We can tell that by it's actually named partition or PiMP. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on that PiMP partition and we're going to right click on it, and you'll see here in the context menu we got resize and move. We're going to click on this. This is where we expand our drive. We're simply going to grab this arrow and drag it all the way over to the as far as it'll go. Then we'll click the resize button, and in Gparted, to make your changes take effect, we have to click on the green checkbox or check mark to apply it. And of course it's going to ask us if we're sure, and we're going to click apply. Operations have successfully completed, so we can close this window. We can also close Gparted now. And let me move the terminal out of the way, and we will now see that our drive space went from 12.7 gigs up to 58.4 gigs. So we are now utilizing the full space of our 60 gig hard drive. Okay, so that's how easy it is to expand our PiMP OS partition to the full size of our drive. Be sure to check out the Get PiMP forums for any additional information, and happy mining, pimps.